How to fix Snapchat not loading snaps on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just go to the settings of your phone. You will open it and you will go directly to apps, and on apps you will now search for Snapchat. When you found Snapchat guys, what you should do, just open it and you will go to storage and go to clear data. Click OK, go back and click on force stop and click OK, and go back again to Play Store and update Snapchat, and that's it. So I hope this video it's helpful for you. Do not forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.